She has over 2.6 million views on her channel. She have uploaded 6 videos and she has gotten over 46,000 subscribers. This is within a space of 1 month. Hello guys, welcome back. How will you feel when you create a new channel and the first video you upload on that channel gets over 2 million views in less than 2 weeks of uploading it? How will you feel? I mean, the number is insane. 2 million views in less than 2 weeks. I mean, a new channel. So that is instant monetization and also thousands of dollars waiting to hit your bank account. However, this is not the case, I mean, with one of our friends. Let me call her Bola. So in this video, I'm going to share what actually happened and how you can avoid a similar experience as a content creator on YouTube. So most of us, or let me say some of us, feel bad when we don't get massive views on our channel. But you'll be surprised that currently YouTube is lavishing millions of views to newcomers on their platform. And Bola is one of these newcomers. So what happened was that, for her to get 2 million views in less than 2 weeks, I mean, these 2 million views is not YouTube Shorts. This video I'm talking about is over 14 minutes long, not YouTube Short. This is a long form video, I mean, content. So for her getting 2 million views within 2 weeks automatically qualifies her, I mean, for the YouTube monetization, because you need 4,000 watch time hours and 1,000 subscribers or 10 million YouTube Short views. But I'm not talking about YouTube Short views, I'm talking about long form content. And also these views, this over 2 million views, got her 46, I mean, as of when we were discussing, got her over 40,000 subscribers. So 1,000 subscribers is out of the way, 4,000 watch time hours is a deal. So she automatically qualifies for the YouTube monetization. Now this is where the problem comes in, or where she started having issues. When she wanted to link her AdSense account to her YouTube channel, YouTube told her that, or Google let her know that an existing AdSense account was there, so she can't use double AdSense account. But from what she told me, she has never created any AdSense account before with that Google account. So I know some of you have had similar experience, and this existing AdSense account error is very common when you want to link your YouTube channel to an AdSense account. And for those of you that are yet to monetize, AdSense is another platform. Is the platform, like if you are planning to monetize your channel in the future, AdSense is the platform that will be managing your finances from your YouTube channel. So when you earn on YouTube, you'll be seeing the money in your dashboard, but you can't get it out of there. So when you link an AdSense account to your YouTube channel, at the end of every month, or at every 28 or 30 days interval, YouTube will remit the money into the AdSense account. So having an AdSense account is like the monetization or the financial side of Google. So Google have other platforms that you can monetize, like you can monetize your app in Play Store, you can monetize your website and some other platforms. So but before you can receive money from all those platforms, those monetized platforms, you need to link an AdSense account to them. So Bola had this issue of linking an AdSense account, and this deprived her of monetizing her YouTube channel. Now there's 2 options that Bola can explore. The first one is to close the AdSense account that is being affected, as the one that have existing account, to close that AdSense account and then create another one. But the funny thing about this option is that when you close an AdSense account, it will take Google about 6 months to to permanently delete that AdSense account from their records. So this means that if you close an AdSense account and you want to use the same Google account to create another AdSense account, you have to wait for 6 months before you can use that same Google account to create an AdSense account. So this option is out of the way because Bola can't wait for another 6 months to create another AdSense account. You can imagine how many millions of views she would have gotten on her channel in the next 6 months. So that option is not viable. Then the second option is for her to create a new AdSense account with another Google account. So as of making of this video, she's exploring the second option, which is creating a new AdSense account with another Google account. So currently the step 2 is in progress. So I will give you guys update maybe in the community tab, or maybe make another follow-up video on this. So now we need to learn something, or if you're a content creator, whether monetize or not monetize, because at some point, even though if you're monetized, you might have issue with your AdSense account, and you might want to find a way out. Like to me, I have the third option, like most or some of the people in my membership that has been in my membership before. I create this option of the third option, which is linking. If you can't create that new AdSense account with another Google, you can link a working AdSense account to your YouTube channel. I always recommend this option if a video is going viral on your channel and you don't want to waste time, because even the second option of creating a new AdSense account with another Google account, sometimes you may also run into this existing AdSense account. From the feedback I've gotten from some content creators, they have similar incident even when they want to create another AdSense account with another Google account. So the third option that I always prefer is if you have someone that you trust or you know very well that has an AdSense account that is working, that has received money, you can link it to your YouTube channel. That is if you know your videos are going viral as of the time you are having this problem. Like for Bola, currently on her channel, she's getting an average of 30,000 views every day. When you calculate it, it's almost a million view in a month. Now, if you want to check how much the about 2.5 million views she have already gotten so far on her channel, if you want to convert it to US dollars, it is an average of about over $7,000. That's if the RPM is around $3. RPM means the amount YouTube pay for every 1,000 views. So let's assume on the average that her RPM is about $3. That means she has already lost over 7,000 US dollars. So please, anytime you have issue with this existing AdSense account, know that you have 3 options. The first one is to close the AdSense account that have that issue and wait for 6 months to create another one. So if you want to know how to close an existing AdSense account, I have a dedicated video. You can check it in the description. Then the second option is to create a new AdSense account with another Google account. So that's the second option. And then the third option is for you, if you have someone that already had an AdSense account that is working, that you know that the person received payment from the AdSense account, you can negotiate with the person or discuss with the person. Then the person will link that AdSense account to your YouTube channel. These options, we've tried all these options and they are working very well. But the first one is very stressful because, if you're not patient enough, you can't use that because it will take you 6 months to create another AdSense account with your current Google account that has that problem. This is the situation that Bola has found herself. Currently, her channel is not yet monetized. She has over 2.6 million views on her channel. She have uploaded 6 videos and she has gotten over 46,000 subscribers. this is within a space of 1 month. So these figures are very massive. And if you want to know the niche, she's into entertainment niche. She do this storytelling with AI generated images. So that's the niche she's into. Very fantastic video. I watched the video. I have to watch it from the beginning to the end. There's 2 scenarios I normally highlight that as a content creator you should be wary of. One is how proactive are you for your next viral video, and the second one is how you react to a viral video or a viral content on your channel. So if you want to know more or want to join my private community, you can check the link in the description. Join my private community. So anytime I want to do an AdSense masterclass, you can register for it. Or if you want an exclusive or dedicated attention, or you want me to handle your AdSense application, you can join my membership. So I hope this video was helpful. If you were the one that have this channel, what would you have been doing by now? Will you be crying, or you will find it, or will you find a solution, or will you just stay frustrated? Please, I would like to hear your thoughts or your comments in the comment section. So if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel. Give this video a like if this info was helpful, and also share it to other content creators so that they will know how things are run on YouTube, especially when you talk about monetizing your YouTube channel. So I'll be sharing some stories from different content creators on this channel. So each time I get any story that is very unique and profound, I will share it on this channel. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.